Hi, today we're talking about what does the research show on stem cell therapy for erectile dysfunction, known for short as ED. Now, ED is a much more common problem than most people realize. We're talking about 50% issue by the age of 50, 60% by the age of 60, 70% by the age of 70, 80% by the age of 80. So instead of bringing an actual model, I brought a banana to show how the problem appears. And what we're trying to do is go from this to that, right? Or in other words, get somebody erect with a smiley face, okay? So what does the research show? Well, this was a study that appeared a few years ago in a journal of urology, peer-reviewed, and it looked at 9 studies with 164 patients total. Men with different reasons for having ED, either a vascular problem or a neurologic problem, like maybe they had a prostate removal and it unfortunately nicked or lacerated some of the nerves that supply the ability to get an erection. So they followed these patients for 6 months to a year after the stem cell injections, and they looked at a few parameters. So what these studies looked at is something called the IIEF, which is the International Index of Erectile Function. And what it reflects is the ability of a male to get an erection and to sustain that erection through intercourse. These studies, some of them used adipose stem cells, bone marrow, or umbilical cord stem cells. Now, the amount of stem cells administered was sometimes 1 injection and sometimes up to 6 injections over the year, and it was anywhere from 8.5 million stem cells upwards of about 60 million stem cells. So variation there. And these centers had anywhere from 5 patients to up to 38 patients. So, but the total add up was 164. So what were the results? And this is the most exciting part, because it doesn't matter if the center used adipose, bone marrow, or umbilical. The benefit with umbilical, which is why 99% plus of our patients want that, and that's what we offer, is because you don't have to harvest anything from that individual, right? If you come in with an ED problem and the center only offers autologous, they're going to have to either take some of the fat from you or some of the bone marrow from your pelvis. There can be issues with that, it can be a little painful. So moving on, what were the results? All 9 of these studies showed statistically significant improvements in the IIEF, the ability to get an erection, the ability to maintain it. And several of the studies also looked at the ability to get morning erections, and that was improved as well. Half of the studies looked at length and girth. The other didn't look at it, but those halves did show increases in length of the penis and then increase in the girth of the penis. So we don't necessarily promise that to individuals who come into our centers, but it is a nice side effect, right, of what you can see. When we do these treatments with stem cells for erectile dysfunctions around the world, our providers use what's called the Regenerative Trifecta. That is proprietary to R3, it's trademarked. What it involves is a cocktail, a combination of stem cells, exosomes, which are byproducts of stem cells, and PRP, which is where we take some of your blood and spin it to concentrate the growth factors. And we use those 3 together to produce incredible results where the vast majority of the time, this is what we experience with patients. And it's usually within 4 to 6 weeks. It's not an overnight phenomenon. So visit us online today at r3stemcell.com. Tons of educational information on the website. We also have over 1,300 educational videos and many patient success stories on our YouTube channel. Call us today to set up your free consultation at +1 844 GET STEM, or just email us info@r3stemcell.com. Thank you.